For the machine to fire up, there it is. Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Sunday, March 8th, 2020. It's 7:10 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Well, welcome to Bitcoin Daily View. Today is definitely, and yesterday, an uncertain market. So, Bitcoin in the red, down 4.7%. And as you can see, the crypto market, for the most part, is looking pretty red today. Sorry, no video yesterday, but pretty much it looked the same as it does today. I guess we'll see if we get a recovery today, or maybe we'll get a pump on Monday, or maybe it won't. Definitely not an inspiring market this morning. We do have 4 billion of tether into Bitcoin. That's definitely good the last 24 hours, and 2.5 billion of tether into Ethereum. So definitely has some tether coming into Bitcoin. But our volume is under a billion. So 868 million is not great volume. I like to see it over a billion right now to call it a good day. So not too much volume. Most of that 508 million is on Binance. No other big exchanges are showing up with over 100 million today. Longs versus shorts on Binance, where the volume is 34% short, 65% long. Let's look at gold. Gold definitely on the daily has been doing pretty good last couple of days, and the MACD is positive. So gold, as sound money, is showing up for work. It's nice to see. How's silver looking? Well, silver, it's kind of looking a lot like Bitcoin. So silver, not as good as gold. MACD is negative. At least it is at the moment, still above the 200 moving average on the daily, and that's good. Let's look at Bitcoin on the daily. Well, we are looking at a red candle yesterday, and so far a red candle today, and we are currently below or right at the 200 moving average. We really need to get above that 200 moving average on the daily to be bullish at all. So right now we are definitely at a moment of indecision for Bitcoin. Are we going to go bearish or are we going to go bullish? Well, the 200 moving average on the daily is a big indicator to me. And right now, we are just going under it. It does appear the 200 moving average. So, looking like we are bearish this morning on Sunday. This is a 4-hour chart. Thought I would show you. And there's some fib lines thrown in here. Now, if you notice, back at about January 2nd, we started this beautiful upwards channel. Well, now it is a downwards channel. We did recently break out of that and went up from the 0.5 fib level to the 0.382 fib level at around 9100. We hung out there for a while. Life was good, but as you can see, rather quickly we have broken actually back into that downwards channel. So we were out of it. We were making a move, kind of challenging that 200 moving average on the 4-hour, but well, we dumped and we're back in that downwards channel. We're back to the 0.5 fib level. So we're kind of back where we started. It's all about, are we going to go sideways and break out of this downwards channel, or are we going to hop back in it and continue going down? Really, we are in a moment of indecision. To me, we need to get above, to be bearish, get above this 200 moving average on the daily. Very, very important. We also need to get out of this downwards channel on the 4-hour and get moving back up to this 0.382 fib line at around 9100, or cruise right past it. Love to see us get above this 9500, this 200 moving average at around 9500 on the 4-hour. That would be great. Get up to this 236 fib line at around 9637. So really, we're going to have to see what happens. Looking at the directional index, we are neutral right now. So we shall see. It was to say just a dump. I mean, really, if you think about it, we went from the 382 down to the 0.5, around 9100 to 8671. I mean, it's a predictable range that we're working in here. I'm just hoping that we continue going sideways and get a bump up out of this. I don't want to hop back in this downwards channel on the 4-hour. It would just be, well, bearish. With that said, looking at the 2-hour chart, we've rolled into red EMAs on the super guppy indicator. We were challenging this 200 moving average, the white moving average here. We were challenging that for a while, but as you can see, now we are not. And On the 45-minute chart for immediate price action, you can see how abrupt this dump has been. We are under the 200 moving average. We're under the 314 moving average. Where are we going to find some traction and bounce? Don't know. The directional index is very, very solidly red on the negative side. I don't like seeing the ADX pump like this white line here. The ADX pump while you're dumping. Basically, if Bitcoin is going this way and the ADX is going that way, if they're kind of converging on each other, one's going up while one's going down, like while Bitcoin's going down, the ADX is going up, that usually means you have, on this short time frame, definitely some velocity to the dump. So let's see what happens. Really, we're all just gonna have to hang out and see how the market looks. Right now, it is definitely red. Down, ETH down pretty much 8%. XRP, the banker's coin, down 5.5%. Litecoin down 7%. So this is just a this weekend is a dump. So let's see. I would like to see us get this bounce off the 0.5 fib line here at around 86.71. That would be rocking. Get out of this downwards channel and move up. If we hop back in that downwards channel, well, we're back in it. On the daily, let's see if we can close today above this 200 moving average. That would definitely be good. That would be a good way to go into Monday. With all that said, I'm sorry I'm not too chipper this morning, but, well, as you can see, the market's not too rocking. But regardless, obstacles can't stop you, weather can't stop you, heartbreak can't stop you, failure can't stop you, only you can stop you, red days can't stop you. Keep at it. Bitcoin is way more important and about way more than a daily price action. If you're in, and that's really good. You're part of the peaceful revolution. It's going to bounce at some point. My guess is probably Monday morning we'll see a rally. I would like to imagine. With that said, I'll see you tomorrow.